How to view Android screen time uses. You can view this by simply opening your settings. So start by heading over to your settings. Search for the settings app and simply tap on open. Tap on it to open it. Now once you're in your settings, simply scroll down until you find digital well-being and parental controls. Simply scroll and you'll find digital well-being and parental controls, and here you'll see screen time. So simply tap on it to open it. Now from here you'll get the complete dashboard. Now you can view the chart showing today's screen time, app uses and unlocks. Like the category that you spend most time on, the first is Insta, YouTube, camera. And you can also see the categories, social media, video uses, and app timers. You can also set goals. And if you tap on it, you can see past screen time uses also. Just slide over it or tap on it and you can see each individual day upward, and you can slide it over and see any day. And when you scroll down, you'll see how many notifications you got and how many unlocks it has been. And that's it guys. In this way you'll be able to see your screen time usage per day. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.